This is the eMeet Bluetooth conference speakerphone. Here we're going to do the unboxing. So including the package is the manual, information, USB charging cable, AUX cable, conference speakerphone. Here look at the design. So the device has a 3.5mm audio output, microphone, AUX audio input, and micro USB port. Here we're going to look at the settings. So you have your power on off, your volume up, answer, hang up a call, calling voice control, multiple voice sources, Bluetooth, volume down, and your audio recording. Here we're going to look at the Bluetooth connection. And so it's eMeet M2 for the pairing. 360 far field voice pickup. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Audio test.
Okay, so I'm going to test the audio. I'm using my home phone and speaking straight into the mic. And so hopefully you can hear me. So I'm going to put the phone down and try to walk 5 feet away and see if I still can pick it up. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Anyways, I'm like 5 feet away from my home phone. I wonder if you guys can hear me through the actual conference speaker. I'm walking towards my phone, and so next I'm going to try is actually talking through my speaker and see how that sounds. Alright, so I'm touching the speaker. I'm about 2 feet away. I'm going to walk away and see if, probably like 6 feet, and see how good it picks up my audio. Okay, so I'm about 6 feet away, and hopefully you can hear me. I'm going to walk towards the device, same time talking, and so just want to see the same audio quality. Now I'm like right on top of the device, just want to see or hear how the audio sounds. And that concludes my test.
Siri. Siri, what's today's weather?
Today's forecast for Winston-Salem is 91 degrees and partly cloudy.
Siri, what's traffic like in I-40?
There's light traffic in I-40 US, North Carolina. It's slower than usual.
Audio. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.